Hello and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video, we're going to go through question 14 from the Consortium Group 2 2015 paper. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more worked solutions for this paper, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Lara and Kathy have each thought of a positive whole number less than 20. The product of their numbers is 56, and the difference between them is 10. What are their two numbers? First, let's translate this information into two equations. Let's call our numbers a and b. We know that a multiplied by b is 56, and we know that a minus b is 10. Now, let's move on to identifying the key terms in this question. Here we have the words product and difference. You should remember from class that the product is the answer we get when we multiply two numbers together. So now we know we're dealing with multiples and factors. So our starting point should be identifying the factor pairs of 56. This narrows down our options for A and B. We know that one factor pair for all numbers is 1 and itself. So our first factor pair is 1 and 56. 56 is also an even number, and so it's divisible by 2. So our second factor pair is 2 and 28. You may recall from class that one way to find out if a number is divisible by 3 is to add up the digits. If the sum of the digits of the number is a multiple of 3, then 3 is a factor of the whole number. 5 plus 6 is 11, which we know is not a multiple of 3, so 3 is not in our factor list. Let's try 4. This is a two-digit number, so we need to use our 4 times table. You may have already spotted that 4 multiplied by 14 gives us 56. So this is our next factor pair. Let's keep going. 56 won't be divisible by 5 as the unit isn't 5 or 0, and not 6 either as the number is not divisible by 3. The next number along is 7, and luckily 56 is divisible by 7. So our final factor pair is 7 and 8, which multiplies to give us 56. And now for our second piece of information. A minus b is equal to 10. We need to find a pair of numbers in our factor list that this works with. You may have spotted that the only factor pair this applies to is 4 and 14. And that's our answer. Thank you for watching. We hope you've been able to build on your knowledge of factor pairs. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.